Hello guys, welcome to government job preparation. So friends, if you want latest government job notifications and all other government job updates through WhatsApp, so add our WhatsApp group. Okay, so we have provided our WhatsApp group link in the description, so go to that description and click on the description and add in our WhatsApp group, so that we will send you daily job notification, daily job updates and RS Agrawal classes through WhatsApp. Okay, so let's start this video. So in this video discussing about Ssc Mts expected cutoff 2019. Okay, so these are just initial analysis. So those are preparing for the Ssc Mts, they has to try to achieve the score what I'm going to tell you now. Okay, so let us start this video guys. Okay, so before going to that, if you like this video, hit like button and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Okay, so let us start this. So before going to that, I'm going to tell you one thing. So let us discuss one thing now. So here it consists of 5 topics like aptitude, reasoning, GK and English. So each topic consists of 25 questions, and so there are 5 topics like as I already said to you: GK, reasoning, aptitude and English. Okay, so 25 questions each and 100 questions totally. So out of that 100 questions, so each question carries 1 mark, so 100 questions carries 100 marks. Okay, so that was the exam pattern for the Ssc Mts today. That means in the year 2019. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the expected cutoff marks for these 100 marks. Okay, expect cutoff for these 100 marks. So let us start this, and after ending of this video, I'm also going to tell you the safe score. Okay, that means you has to bring that score, you has to try to bring that score in order to select for the examination. So yes, I don't need any tensions and I don't need anything. I has to select for the Ssc Mts job. Then you has to try to achieve that safe score. Okay, I'm going to tell you that safe score at the ending of this video. Okay, so let's start this video. So here for the general candidates, the expected cutoff marks will be from 75 to 80. Okay, so 75 to 80 out of 100 marks. Okay, so here the cutoff will be high because all other aspirants like SSCHL aspirants, SSCHSL aspirants were also writing this examination, and number of candidates are also applied for this examination, and the competition was high. This is 2019, not 2015. Okay, the competition was high because all are aware of these jobs and all are applying for these jobs, and even all the other aspirants like those who are preparing for SSCHL. So those guys are also writing this examination, and SSCHL aspirants can easily opt for these questions, can easily write this examination and can easily get good marks in this exam, but they will not join in this job. Okay, so those guys are also writing this exam. So for that reason, the expected cutoff marks will be high. Okay, for general candidates, the expected cutoff marks will be from 75 to 80, and for the OBC cutoff marks will be from 73 to 80, and for the SC candidates 60 to 65, and for the ST 58 to 63. Okay, so this was the cutoff marks, and this was the expected cutoff marks for Ssc Mts. Okay, and what was the normalization marks? Okay, so the not actually the safe score. Okay, so how much marks you has to get in order to select for the Ssc Mts without even getting any tension. Like if you get any 72 or 72 marks out of 100, suppose you are a general candidate, and if you got 73 marks out of 100 or 72 marks out of 100, yeah, you will feel something in your mind like yes, I got 72 marks, I can select. And in other hand, you'll also get a small doubt like yeah, I get 72 marks, can I select for the exam? So you will get all these doubts guys. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the safe score. So safe score you has to get in order to leave all the tensions aside. Okay, you has to kick that tensions if you try to attain that safe score. Okay, so let us check that safe score. So for the general candidates, you should bring more than 80 marks. Okay, you has to get more than 80, that means 80 plus is the safe score for general candidates, and here 75 plus will be the safe score for the OBC candidates. Okay, so that was a safe score 75 to 76, so that was a safe score for the general candidates. Of course, if you bought 80 plus marks, that was nice. Okay, that was even a safe score for that, and here 80 to 85 was the safe score for general candidates. Okay, try to bring more than 80 marks. Okay, that means if you bring more than 80 marks, then there will be no need to tension. Okay, And for the SC candidate, the safe score will be 70 plus, and also you can also accept a safe score of 65 plus, okay, for the SC candidates. And for the ST candidate, the safe score will be 65 plus, okay, 65 or 65 plus will be the safe score for ST candidates, okay. There was no competition, not much competition in cause of ST candidates, okay. So this was Ssc Mts expected cutoff. If you like this video, hit like button and share this video, subscribe to our channel. And one thing, I'm also going to tell you Ssc Mts previous year's questions, okay. I'm going to tell you one previous paper per day, okay. You have to prepare that in order to get the job, okay. So let's assume one thing, so one paper per day, that means 25 questions per day. And and if you get and if you've done 10 days one paper, okay, one paper per day, and complete 10 days like this, okay. So how many papers will you going to do that, okay. So I think you will do more than 250 questions, okay. One paper per day, that means one paper equals to one topic. So aptitude, one paper, so 25 questions from the aptitude. So how many questions you are doing for 10 days? 250 questions, okay. 250 questions was very useful, guys, okay. So we are also going to tell you that previous paper. So if you want that, ask me in the comment section. So thanks for watching this.